Divorce is often a messy affair, no pun intended. There's high negative emotions, and those are expected. Um, there's a lot of people that can't get beyond those feelings enough to think clearly and to really help themselves, and they really do need an attorney to help them. The stakes are very high, and they need a strong legal advocate to assist them. The need is even greater to have an attorney where your spouse is really not acting in your best interest and in fact is just trying not to be fair at all. However, there are a lot of couples who want to have an amicable split, who really do want the best for each other, and really do want a fair result, something that's good for their children. There are couples who, while saddened by their marriage ending, are able to, not have that be a controlling factor, and they're able to discuss, you know, um, clearly and rationally the terms of their separation with each other. For those couples, mediation is a really good alternative to litigation. They usually are couples who don't want to fight or don't want to fight anymore. They don't want to spend an exorbitant amount of attorney's fees. They don't want their kids dragged into the court process. And they want some control and privacy over their divorce. So mediation really does provide that and can be a really good answer for them. Mediation is an opportunity to negotiate the terms of your separation in a safe and confidential space. The mediator is not a decision maker, nor is the mediator an advocate. The mediator simply facilitates communications and agreements between the parties. They encourage productive communications and progress so that the parties don't fall into the same traps of the pitfalls that couples always do, of either one person yelling at the other or one person shutting down. Usually being with the mediator kind of elevates the reasonableness of the parties and also the courtesy of the parties. The mediator can also give feedback on ideas and proposals that the parties might have. They make sure that all the areas are covered that need to be covered, so that they know that they are fully prepared and have discussed everything they need to discuss when they get before the judge. If this is interesting to you, if you think that mediation is going to work for you, then contact me. What we usually do is have both spouses come in, and I go over all of the aspects of mediation, the process, the costs. I also go over the pros and the cons. And if the two of you decide that this is what you want, then we can go ahead and enter into an agreement to do the mediation. Some mediation sessions take, between 2 and 3 times, and they come to a full agreement. Some, might take between 7 and 10 sessions. It all depends on how the parties are able to work with each other and how many issues we need to discuss. But come in, get all the information you need,